I'll be showing you how to edit the contact form that comes pre-built with many Shopify themes, and it's going to require a little bit of coding, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through step by step. Before I dive in, I want to mention Conversion King, my very own Shopify theme that's built to make you more money and sales and packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features. There's a link in the description below. So let's dive right into it here. So I'm going to start from my Shopify dashboard. Next, I'm going to head to the online store section on the left-hand side. And what I want to do is customize a version of Dawn, as it's going to be one of Shopify's free themes here. I'm assuming that's going to be a very common theme that people are trying to customize the contact page. So before we go and actually edit any code, I'm going to recommend you click on these three dots here and then hit duplicate. This is going to create an exact copy of the theme. So if you make any mistakes, it's easy just to go and revert it to an older version rather than having to figure out what exactly you did wrong. So once you've done that, we can head to the three dots again, and I'm going to click edit code. I'm going to open this up in a new tab here. So I first want to go and hit customize, as I want to show what the existing contact page looks like. If I head to the three dots here, go to preview, I'm going to head down to the contact us too, as this is something I added in a recent video. We're going to customize the fields here. So maybe you don't want the phone number or the name, you just need the email and the comment. And so that's what we're going to edit in this video. And so the way we're going to do that is we're going to find the contact file. So in filter files, I'm just going to search for contact. It's not going to be under templates. It's going to be under sections. And it's going to be contact-form.liquid or something very similar. It should be in a .liquid file. And if we open it up here, there's quite a bit of code in this page. And so if you've never coded before, it's probably going to be a little intimidating. But in this example, I want to remove the name and the phone number field and just leave the email. And so if we were to read through the contact fields class div here, so it's gonna be everything in this section, we can see we have the name here. We can have email, check for if there's an email error. We also have the field for the phone number and the comment here. So what I want to do is just delete certain sections. So I can see there's a div, and if I were to press this arrow here, I can see it's going to close around the form input. So what I want to do is just simply remove this section. And if I were to click on the div as well, it's going to show me the closing tag. And so we want to remove both of these div elements, as within it is the input for the phone. So I'm just going to hit a backspace there, removing that section. I'm going to do the same for the name section. And this may be slightly different depending on the Shopify theme you're using. Just make sure you're reading everything line by line here, as it's going to give you a clear idea. As mentioned as well, you also want to make sure you duplicated the current version of your theme. So if you remove anything and it looks weird, it's easy to restore. So I can see this is the name field wrapped in the div. If I click it, I can see it's closed around it. I'm going to hit backspace again. And if I scroll through the rest of the file, it doesn't look like there's anything else I want to remove here. So I'll hit save. Next, I can click on preview store in the top right. Again, I'm going to scroll down to contact us number 2. Next, I just have two fields now, email and comment. So now I could go and enter in an email here, enter it in comment. Hi, this is a comment. And I could click send. And it looks like that worked okay. Thanks for contacting us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. There's one thing that's bothering me, it's the email field doesn't go fully across. It looks to be affected by this contact fields class here. So I'm going to search for CSS in the top left. When I do that, I can see quite a few files here, and the one we want to find is section-contact-form.css. And from there, I can press Control F or Command F, search for contact fields. Actually, it's __ fields. I can see this class here. I can see it's a column gap of 2 and a grid template columns of 2 here. So I'm just going to remove this class here entirely, and I'm going to hit save. And if I reload the page here, I can see it's now a full width, which is exactly what I was looking for. In terms of additional settings, if I don't want to remove the fields, if I just want to customize something like the background color, I can head to customize for the theme, scroll down here. I'm going to head to the contact us page again. And if I click on the actual contact form section, I can customize things such as the color scheme, add a specific heading. I can also customize the heading size here. To finalize this, I can hit save in the top right. And before I go, I want to mention Conversion King one more time. It's packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features, saving you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. You get lifetime access when you purchase the theme, and it comes with a 60-day risk-free money-back guarantee. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. This concludes the video here on how to edit the contact form in your Shopify theme. Specifically, we looked at the Dawn theme here, and we looked at how to remove form fields. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including everything from your ad spend, cost of goods sold, transaction fees, and much more. It aggregates everything in one place so you can make smarter business decisions as you have a true understanding of your store's profit. It syncs seamlessly with all your favorite ad platforms from Meta, which includes Facebook and Instagram, Google, Bing, Snapchat, Pinterest, and TikTok. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing directly. You can also search for it on the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check it out. If you want more advanced customization, I would recommend getting a Shopify app to add those. You could even use Shopify Forms. It's going to give you more customization on the contact fields. Let's say if you're collecting additional information. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.